You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two brand names. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, including from fashion and sportswear, make sure to stay tuned. We got them all here at the end of the video. American English pronunciation: Nike. Some say it as Nike. How do you pronounce it? For reference, in Greek it's Nike. Adidas. That's the German pronunciation. Yes, it's a German brand. Adidas. So it's not Adidas. Nike and Adidas. Do you pronounce them any other ways? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.